energy is increasingly a chance for leading businesses to really differentiate themselves by managing risk, but also taking advantage of opportunities. I think there are three critical areas of risk, especially here in the UK today. The first is cost. As our energy system becomes more complex, cost and volatility of energy costs today is increasingly of concern to some businesses, especially where their demand is significant. I think the second is carbon. Quite rightly, society, stakeholders, managers, employees, customers increasingly looking to cut carbon footprints. And for businesses, carbon is a cost today and increasingly important for their strategic goals. I think the third one is resilience. Industries, in particular some sectors of areas like manufacturing, require resilient energy infrastructure for business continuity. The solutions range from hardware solutions to software solutions. I think the first area for businesses to differentiate on is driving down their energy demand through efficiency. At SSE, we have been investing in software platforms for achieving that for some time. We have a new cloud-based platform called Remote Optimal to do that. Then businesses are investing more and more in on-site energy infrastructure, from power to heating to transportation demand, and to increasingly electrify those. So solar, battery storage, heat pumps, electric vehicles. And for some industries like manufacturing, private network infrastructure is an important backbone to enabling some of these solutions. And finally, and very importantly today, smart software platforms to integrate these solutions and optimize and manage them in real time. SSE, firstly, has been about for decades safety, reliability, quality, and sustainability. And I think these things really mark how we do things. We're well known for offshore wind farms and the like, but we're also well known for working with businesses at SSE Enterprise. And at Enterprise, we have, I think, a unique proposition in the distributed energy market. We cover so many elements that we can integrate for a customer and manage that complexity. And I think that offering really is unique.